Look at this beautiful mural, charming, outstanding, breathtaking mural right in front of me. This is America and El Salvador.
I did not expect this tiny town in El Salvador become one of my favorite places in Central America.
At Ataco. Many policia, army, amigo, army. Problema? Security, yeah. They're going through the city to Ataco. Santa Ana, the local street around. Street is busy with the buses and bikes and everything. Look at the chicken bus. All the buses there. Santa Ana city, and now we are going towards Ataco. Ruta de las Flores. Typical road in El Salvador. This is countryside. It's going through Ruta de las Flores. Started going up now in the mountain. Look at this beautiful mountain we are going through now in El Salvador. There's mountain around. More mountains going up in El Salvador on the way to Ataco. They're selling fruits, they're selling honey on the street in the mountain. Look at this, how high the mountain is. To Concepcion de Ataco is a district and city within it has an area 61,003 kilometers and population is 18,101 inhabitants. Ataco in 1770 belonged to parish Aucha. Then that time was 303 families were there. The Ataco is one of the most charming towns along El Salvador, Ruta de las Flores. It's done colorful murals, cool mountain climate, rich coffee culture, and relaxed small town vibe. Let's go see there. I heard this is very beautiful, and we're gonna show you what they have. The charming side of the close to the Taco right now. Here, this drive is stunning, beautiful, picturesque. Wow, nice, stunning, charming, breathtaking. This view is seriously stunning, scenic. Almost getting to the Ataco, the laid-back city town we are gonna get into. Picturesque. Look at this hotel, Lush Hotel. Okay, let me show you some of the area what I like about this area. We are almost closer to Ataco. I think in 5 to 10 minutes we'll be there. The scenic city Ataco. Mural. This coffee shop and the market. The park. It's a laid-back city. It's calm and relaxing. The charming. It has its own beauty. Oh, okay. So right now I am in Ataco, and instead of rushing around, I just want to slow down and see what this place actually feels like. I'm gonna show you first a mural, a stunning, picturesque, scenic. This is Ataco. Look at how charming this really feels like. Look at it here. It is outstanding. It is breathtaking. It is one of a kind. Ataco mural right here in front of me. Wow. Look at speechless, stunning mural did it on the wall. The calm city Ataco, Ruta de las Flores. I am gonna show you what it feels like to be in this city, and let's go. This is a park, beautiful park around here. I'm walking in the park, enjoying the views, enjoying the atmosphere, enjoying the nature in the mountain. This is something I wanted to do. It took me about 1.5 hours from Santa Ana to here, and they have beautiful mural over there. I took some video there. Some moment in the park. Look at the trees. Look at the plants. Many types of plants. Very tight. They keep it very clean. They keep it very organized. That's a church. I'm gonna visit that later. The beautiful tree with branches looking different than usual is. Never seen that before. Those kind of thing attracts me, and that's why I go around and bring it to you guys. Here I am in front of the church in the park in Ataco, El Salvador. Let's walk a little bit more. I'm gonna go that way, and that's the church I'm talking about right there. There you go. They're playing football there. I'm in Ataco, and the first thing you notice is how relaxed and everything feels. This is not a place you rush through. It is kind of place where you slow down, walk around, and notice the small details. I really like how this mural is. What stands out even more is the atmosphere. It feels local, easygoing, and very welcoming. It's everywhere, calm and welcoming. Breathtaking mural right in front of me. It is so outstanding, so breathtaking, and I love it. That's where you come, you don't rush, you calm yourself down, relax, and enjoy the moments. Look at this beautiful, one-of-a-kind tree roots. The branches and the leaves, it is not irreplaceable. You can find anywhere. Very clean. Ataco is Santa Ana, or the San Salvador is in the middle. It takes about an hour and a half to get here. Indigenous community here. Ruta de las Plumas. Enjoy my moments. Feels happy. Make me who I am. The trees, branches are different than oak tree. That is the Ave Maria Church. I'm gonna go visit in a minute. At night time, I'm sure it looks beautiful, like picturesque. All those lights, look at it. It gives you relax and oil coming. Middle of the park, and show you the park from here. Trees, plants, flowers. There's a fountain. Lady sculpture there on the top. I'm just here to show you what I like. Thank you for watching my video from Ataco, El Salvador, Reza On The Journey. Look at this outstanding, really feels good mural right here in Ataco. It is a one of a kind. It has all sort of things you can see.
This mural looks incredible in photos, but even better in person.
Go closer. One of a kind mural you can see here. How beautiful. I blended in here. I go places because I want to be there. It's just for me. Beautiful mural that is there. I'm on the gazebo, middle of the park. Look at this beautiful church right in front of it. And then the plants, one of a kind, right there. The market is behind it. There. Fountains, but there. This is a little football field next to the thing. They just played football. They're living now. The mural of Ronaldo and the Messi, the football field. There you go. People watch game and stuff. There, right next to the park. This is the Ave Maria Church, Taco. I'm going in there. Look at how beautiful, welcoming. Seems like the wedding gonna go on here. Got it? Look at how beautiful. Really charming. I am inside the church. Get it? I am standing in the church. In front of me, look at how beautiful church is this. Outstanding, breathtaking, everywhere. It's 100 years old. 1910 they made it this. Look at this fountain and the church right there. So beautiful. Ave Maria there, right there. Full setup. Ataco, and the first thing you notice is how relaxed everything feels. This is not place you rush through. It's kind of place where you slow down, walk around, and notice the small detail. Local, easygoing, and very welcoming. There, everybody's taking video, pictures. I'm going to walk around the city now. Let me see what it feels like. Cross is on top, way top of the mountain. Look at all those murals everywhere. Beautiful taco murals right there. Coffee, beer, vegan, welcome. I heard local coffee is very good over here. I'll have my lunch here, so I'll let you know. Hello. See that taco, yeah.
Es una pintura típica que está en la otra cuadra.
Wooden,
Y hay en tamaño chiquito también.
like this. Mural. Okay.
¿Pasa?
Yeah. Oops. ¿Cuánto?
350.
350. I have 50 cents, okay?
Okay.
Oh, good. Gracias.
Gracias.
So the market. We go to the market. I'm going to go to the market. Look at the local market here. They're selling fruits. They're selling inside the market. Look at the market. Local indigenous market. They grow here. It's a local food. They're making the papusa here also. ¿Cuánto?
15 centavos.
15.
15 centavos.
Mucho cheap. Gracias. Okay, I just got 2 tortilla. The avocado. I just grow the little mango, baby mango, selling everything. Look at how baby mango looks like. Gracias. Pound. I'll go this way. It's too hot. Oh my God. Let me take the picture. No wonder this is. More mural here, and I see another street with the mural. This is America and El Salvador here. Now I can eat it. Look at this mural. I just saw it. Another mural. A beautiful mural. Yeah. Beautiful, another mural. Murals are everywhere. The city is a colorful, vibrant, very colorful. Look at it. Here in Ataco, America and El Salvador. Look at it there. Murals are everywhere. I don't think I can go on with this mural. This is like all over this street. I'm gonna stop here. More there. The America and El Salvador mural right over there. Look at it. It is looking beautiful that way also. Okay. I am sitting in one of those restaurants above the mural. Look at this, how beautiful mural is this. 2 tortilla cost me 15 cents. It's very good. Handmade tortilla. A lot of shops. Shops are everywhere. They just played football over there. More murals are here. It is very charming. It is really charming. I'm gonna go to this restaurant, get some coffee. Open? No? Oh, okay. Gracias. Come on. Jalapeno con queso. Rico. Papusa. Queso con roco. Frijoles.
Es de lote.
Jalapeno, frijoles, no carne.
Una de frijoles.
No carne. No. Good. Vegetarians.
Ajá.
Uno.
Una de frijol y una jalapeño.
Jalapeno, yeah. Café.
Café. Vale.
Yeah, gracias. Not bad. I'm done with my lunch. I way to El Tunco. Cost a little money, but I'll see how I can get to there. I'd like to go there and then from there to go home. I am sitting in one of those restaurants above the mural. How beautiful mural is. Yep. Okay, I am next to the mural. Look at this beautiful mural there. I'm having my lunch. And then right behind that is the mural. Famous mural there. The coffee from El Salvador. Well balanced. Thank you, El Salvador. Your view. Yeah, see. Bonito, yeah. This is a restaurant. They just did the taxi for me. Take me to the El Tunco from here. Park right in front of it. I was so happy to get here. This is the kind of place that stays with you. Places like this remind you to slow down. Sometimes the quiet place say the most. That's exactly what I felt at Ataco. It is one of a kind, wonderful, charming place. Come sit down. Goodbye to Ataco. It's so beautiful. It is charming.
Ataco is the kind of place you remember long after you leave.
I am now on my way to the beach.